What is transactional leadership? Transactional leadership meets expectations and gets expected outcomes. Transformational leaders, on the other hand, use a different set of behaviors to go above and beyond performance expectations and actually achieve more. In this video, we'll focus on transactional leadership. Transactional leadership is the process whereby rewards and corrective actions are used to shape people's behavior. Transactional leaders focus on the task at hand and the well-being of their followers. Task behaviors help everyone reach the goals and include things like assigning tasks and measuring performance. Relationship behaviors help people work together and includes things like social support and encouragement. Leaders communicate their expectations up front and then reward people who meet those expectations and correct those who don't. Contingent reward behaviors refer to the process of rewarding desired performance. We value outcomes differently. Some people like extra days off and bonuses, while other people prefer recognition and health benefits. By linking performance and valued rewards, followers learn what is expected of them. Leaders who use contingent reward behaviors can have a positive impact on their followers' job satisfaction, commitment, and future performance. Management by exception is correcting undesirable behaviors with feedback or punishment. Using an active approach, we would observe our followers to identify and correct mistakes as they are made. With a passive approach, we would only intervene if our followers made a mistake. Some people are reluctant to use management by exception. They fear retaliation, assume the behavior will stop on its own, or avoid difficult situations altogether. But corrective action is an important part of leadership. By helping followers improve, we establish trust and respect, especially with high performers. The key is knowing when and how to use it. Let's take a look at some guidelines for rewarding and correcting behavior. First, make sure everyone understands the expectations. Then explain which behaviors are desirable and how they benefit the individual, the team, the organization. Also explain which behaviors should be avoided and the problems associated with them. Make sure everyone understands the link between behaviors and consequences. Then monitor people's behaviors and follow up accordingly. When correcting behavior, identify the specific behavior, explain its negative outcomes again, and follow up with the consequences. Using transactional leadership behaviors, we can develop strong, positive relationships with our followers, reward productivity, and address basic performance problems. Let's learn more about transformational leadership in the next video.